we all climbing up? Should we all pin drop a squad together? Would that not be epic?
I was just using it to go
Let's
around.
do it. Oh, okay. Wouldn't that be hilarious? That would be a good birthday clip to put in a YouTube video, I think.
There we go.
We're all huffing and puffing. Ready? I'll time it so that we're all the same. Okay.
Okay.
Oh! And the birthday boy got it too! Let's go!
I killed 2 of them.
You did.
I didn't leave much for you guys.
Jedi
I don't even think I've hit anybody yet.
Y'all getting carried by that kid.
Y'all getting carried by that
guys.
kid. I know. Birthday boy's on fire. Oh my god, I can't aim.
Wait, did we kill that one?
Yeah, we should kill that guy.
Crap.
Watch out.
Okay, yep, definitely needed to watch my head there.
One coming around there.
Good job. I would have died. Watch out for the pin dropper. He landed right. You alright? We're coming. Ahead you.
One right
He's
above me.
jumping on you, he's jumping on you.
Yeah, he got me. I got him.
There's another one.
I got him.
Good. Got him.
Last one though. Last one.
It's up to you, Piss.
He's up
okay,
high.
Let's go back to you for
Oh no, he's
resting
on. Yeah, just charge the paddles. Charge the paddles. Yeah, they're rezzing too.
I got him.
Yeah. They have zone though, and they have all our loot, so it's kind of fucked. Hey, it was good. It was awesome. It was awesome. Take your time. Nicely
Oh
done.
my gosh,
Do not die. If you die, it's over.
Real low.
Yeah, heal up. Take your time.
Oh, I'm so dead.
No, don't die. Use all your
need
stuff.
this.
Use your 150 build. Yeah, use it all. Use it all. Every second counts right now. Gives us time to get up and move in. You're doing great, and you did great.
Okay,
Yeah, you're
there's
great. You're
3
great.
back there.
I'm hitting almost. I cracked one, but they're still up. They're right there. Take your time. Take your time. One down. One over here. One under you.
One
Under
under
me. Oh, he's hurt right here. You got him, Maverick. I hit him for 100. Right here.
Where is he?
Nice job. Reds up. Heal up. Oh, you got this. You got this. You got this. One-on-one.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right
Never
here,
mind.
Jason. Right here. He's flying in on you. Let's build.
Oh, birthday boy! High five, man! High five, dude! What a game! Carried the crap out of us. Let's go.
Tell Gladiator I said happy B-Day.
Hell yeah.
V4 visitor.
Let's go.
Said.
If that's not a YouTube
GG.
video, I don't know what is it.
Are you not hyping? Are you not hyping? Piss off. You see that guy in the
He's seen that movie? Hilarious. It's okay. My son was watching Stranger Things season 4 with me when he was 1 year old. Stand right here. And look at me, and give me your best. Give me your best. Are you not entertained? Wait, hold on.
Are you not entertained?
Again, take 2.
Are you not entertained?
Again, take 3. Without them interrupting. Deeper voice, like your gladiator voice.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
That'll do.